Hi everyone, welcome to the session of logical reasoning for CUET. As guys, all of you know, CUET has an integral part as journal paper where reasoning is going to be an important part to crack. So in reasoning, the types of questions that are expected, we would like to cover those questions and a variety of questions that are expected in the coming exam, that is CUET 2022. So guys, let us start the first question. I hope you guys are on live on YouTube. So any query you please type and I would love to solve your query, right? So let us start the session, that is reasoning for CUET. So first type that we are going to cover is the question on, I can say, that is a blood relation, a very popular type. So before starting this blood relation question, I would like to make you familiar with the few of the notations. See, gender plus stands for male, minus stands for female. So we will move in generations. So upper generation obviously will be at the upper end, lower will be lower, and third lower is at the third lower end, right? Now we'll move in generations. Then next thing, that the siblings are shown by single lines and the couples are shown by the double lines, right? The gender of which is not known will be shown by question mark. So let us start this question. M is the father of V. So M is the father of me. V means gender of M is known. So V may be till now the son or the daughter, right guys? V is the sister of X. So sibling are shown by single line. V is the sister of X shows that V is a female. I hope you understand. And still gender of X is not known. X may be brother or X may be sister, right guys? So next information is X is married to R. So now, as said earlier, we have to take the double arrow. R is the daughter of P. So R is the daughter of P. So now gender of R is known. Since R is daughter, so X has to be male. Okay. P is the wife of H. So P and H are couples. So couples are shown by double line. So P is the wife of H. H gender is plus and P's gender is minus, right? So now if N is the only child of V, so N is this, then how is N related to M? Yes guys, I wish to know your answers, so I am giving you 30 seconds to answer. So I will love to know your answer. Everything is written and shown in front of you. You have to just answer after seeing this. So guys, I am waiting for your reply on YouTube, and may I know what is your answer? Yes guys. Yes, may I know what should be the answer? Obviously, since gender of N is not known, so N cannot be determined. N could be grandson as well as granddaughter. So answer hence is fourth option. Okay. So let us move on to the next question of this slide. So we may draw again. M is the father of V. M is the father of V. V is the sister of X. M is the father of V. So M's gender is known. V is the sister of X. V's gender is known. X is married to R. X and R are couples. Since couples are shown by double arrow. R is the daughter of P, so R gender is now known, and P is the wife of H, so P's gender is female, and P and H are couple. So X has to be male. Now how is X related to H? Yes, may I know the answer? Yes, anyone from YouTube, may I know the answer? I'm waiting for a reply, guys. What should be the answer? Yes. No answer. Everything is written in front of you. See, when you try to see the X and relation of H, since X is male and H is also male, so P is the daughter of R means P is the daughter of H also. So X is his husband. So how is X related to H? So X has to be son-in-law. Okay. I hope it's clear to all of you. So let us move to the next question of this type. Question number 3. Just have a look at it. Yeah, I again draw. M is the father of V. V is the sister of X. V's gender is now female. Again I have drawn for the next question. X is married to R. X and R are sibling. R is the daughter of P, means R's gender is female. P is the wife of H. So H has to be male and P has to be female. Now everything is given. How is M related to X? M is related to X since V is the daughter of M and X is the brother of V. So how M is related to X? X is the son of M and M is the father of X. So you have to be very careful what is being asked. So whether it is asked how M is related to X or X is related to M. I hope it's clear to all of you. So guys, may I move to the next question? Yes, hopefully. Anyone, any query from YouTube? I would love to answer it. I hope no query. So very simple. So guys, these are the type of question that are expected. I repeat, since the paper is going to happen first time, so the variety you should be very careful while preparing. So the variety of question and the difficulty level we have tried to make at par. That is what it is expected. So let us move to the next question. Yeah. Just read the information. The first pair of letter follows some paired relationship using the similar analogies to that of the last pair. Find the missing letters in the second pair. Yes guys, giving you a minute. Very simple. I hope if you just see the question and try to solve, you will solve it very easily. Just take a look at all the options. Whatever the relation between JHD and KLIJEF, that has to be between P and R and the one of the option givens. Yes, any query? I hope you will be able to do it. Yes, anyone from YouTube? 5 to 6 people are still trying to reply. Yes, I give you 10 seconds to answer. See guys, all the options are in front of you. Is it QORPTS? Is it QROPST? Is it STQRPQ? Or is it QRPOST? So please reply if you are there. What should be the answer? See, all the options are in front of you. So guys, so first you have to find the relation J. So here it is J. I can see KL are the two letters after J. After H I can say IJ is there. After D I can see IF is there, right? So to have the similar relation, P, after P, QR. So English alphabet QR is there, so answer could be second or third option, fourth option. These two options are ruled out. After N, OP should be there, so this is ruled out. After R, ST is there, so guys answer has to be second option, PQR, NOP, RST. Is it clear? Just reply. I am waiting for your reply. Yes, anyone have any query? Please ask. No query? So hopefully we should move forward with the next question. Question number 5. Yeah. Pointing to a woman, Suresh said she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son and only child. Pointing to a woman, Suresh said she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son and only child. How is woman related to Suresh? Guys, take your time. Just read the information carefully. Pointing to a woman, Suresh said she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son and only child. How is woman related to Suresh? 30 seconds to solve. Then we'll move to the next question. Please reply. I am waiting for a reply. Yes. Hopefully very simple question. Straight question. This is what that is expected in CUET. So guys, please try. Give it a try. It's learning by doing. Till don't try, you won't get the correct answer or won't get the method to how to solve it. So it is a back tracing type question, right? Any guess? Yes, anyone? Any guess? Just reply, just type in your chat box, live chat. Guys, any guess? No guess? Should I explain? Please ask, please reply. May I explain, or are you trying? No reply? Any answer? What could be the answer? Yes guys, please please reply. What should be the answer, or what could be the answer? What do you think? Or should I explain? Okay, thank you. So I'm starting explaining. Suresh said she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son and only child. So this is only grandfather's only son and only child. This is being told about the grandfather's only son. It means grandfather has only one son and no other child, no daughter, anything else. So she is the daughter of my grandfather. So let us say Suresh is here. So Suresh's grandfather will be in third generation. Yes or no? Grandfather's only son will be the father of Suresh, and daughter of grandfather's father will be obviously Suresh's sister. So how is that woman related to Suresh? That is sister, right? I repeat once more. Suresh said she is the daughter of my grandfather's only child, only son. So let us say Suresh's status is here. Suresh's grandfather's is in this generation, grandfather's only son and only child, means Suresh's grandfather has only one son and no other child. It means Suresh's father is the only son of his grandfather, and that lady and the woman is daughter of Suresh's father. So that means Suresh and that woman are siblings, and that woman is sister of Suresh. I hope it's clear. So in this type of question, you have to do the back tracing. Back tracing means you have to start from here, grandfather's only son, right? I hope, guys. So these were blood relation questions that are most expected in this paper, CUET 2022. So let us move to the next variety of question. Yeah, this is a very important question of miscellaneous type. How many such pair of letters are there in word transfer, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as they have between in the English alphabet? I repeat, which has as many letters between them in the word as they have between them in the English alphabet. So let us suppose in English alphabet, if I say how many letters are there between A and D, you can directly say between A and D. If I ask how many letters are there between A and D, so between A and D there are 2 letters. So if in some word there are 2 letters between that word, the letters may be different. I repeat, they don't necessarily to be B and C, but the number should be 2, right? So any guess? I hope you are trying. I am giving you a few seconds to solve it. You have to just check once from front side and one from back side. How many such pair of letters are there in word transfer, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as they are between the English alphabet? Okay, I hope the question is very much clear. So let us, I wish to have answer. Anyone from YouTube? I'm giving you guys 30 seconds to reply. Yes, please keep on trying. I repeat, it's learning by doing. Till you don't try to solve it yourself, you won't be able to understand. Yes, guys. May I reply? May I let you know how to solve it? Given few seconds more. I hope this question should have been attempted by all of you. I hope all of you have copy pen with you. You may read the question again. How many such pair of letters are there in the word transfer, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as they are have been between them in the English alphabet? So word transfer. If I start from here, PQRST TUVWXYZA. So guys, if someone in lying, that will come at that position. So no with T. Now I start with R. STUVWX, no letter. Now I start with A. BCDE. Now you can see there are 3 alphabets between A and F, A and E, and they are same here. I repeat, alphabet may be different, but their number should be same as they are in the original English alphabet, right? So here there are 3 alphabets. So one pair I can say is A and E. Now A, B, C, D, E, F. So one is there. Now I start with N. O, P, Q, R. I repeat, N, O, P, Q, R. So NR is the other pair which has as many alphabet in this word as there are in the English alphabet. So in English alphabet there are 3 alphabets between N and R. O, P, Q. Here they are same, that is number 3 between transfer. So NR is the other pair. Now I start from S. T, U, V, no. F, E on this, no. F, G, H, E, R. So in forward direction I am getting 2 pairs. Now I am going to move in the reverse direction. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, no. E, F. E, F is the another pair. Now answer cannot be second option and answer cannot be none. maybe none, but cannot be definitely 2. So answer could be yes, even cannot be none, it has to be 3 or more than 3. So three pair are already found. Let us try if another pair is there. E F G H I J K no, F G H I J K no, S T U V W no, N O P no, A B C no, R S T no. So there are 3 alphabets that have as many letters between them as they are in the English alphabet original. I hope it's clear. Any query guys you may ask, just ask on YouTube. I will like to reply you. I hope it's clear. This is a simple one and one of the most expected type in CUET this year, right? So let us try to explore few more questions that you may expect. Yeah, this is a question of sim operation, excellent type. Just give it a try. So the method to solve it is just take all the question in the same direction. Just try to make all them in the greater than, then you will be able to see the relation. Just give it a try. So statements are so in these questions, relation between different elements is shown in the statement. We say this topic as sim operation, symbols and their operations. These statements are followed by 2 conclusions. So between by using these 3 statements, this statement, this statement and this statement, you have to find the relation that is valid among the given 2 conclusions. Yes guys, just take your time and give it a try. Yes, I am waiting for your replies. First equation is Q greater than B. Second is K is less than E is less than B. So I write all the equation in the unidirectional, that is greater than. K is less than E is less than B. If I write, I may write in greater than sign, it is B greater than E greater than K. Is it okay? J is greater than equal to E. R is less than Q means Q is greater than R. So I have these 4 statements. I hope this is clear. Any query till now you may ask. Yes, I am waiting for your replies guys. I hope it's clear, very much clear how I have written this in the singular side. Right. So if I try to combine these, so since Q is greater than B and B is greater than these 3, so I can connect, I can write Q as here. So Q is greater than B is greater than E is greater than K. So since E is greater than K, so I may write J is greater than equal to E is greater than K. I may connect it here. Now Q is greater than all these, right? Q is greater than all R. So I cannot find the relation between B, E, K and R. And Q cannot be equal to E because Q is greater than E. So Q has to be greater than B and B greater than E. So Q greater than K definitely true. Q greater than equal to E is not possible. So first option conclusion is there. So guys, I hope it's clear. So the method to solve these sim operations is to make the sign on same side. Either make all on greater side or all on lesser side. Normally it is preferred, and normally we do in the all on the greater side, then you may be able to find the solution. So guys, this is also one of the most expected type in CUET this year. So let us move to the next question. Yeah, what will come next in the following series? And series is one of the most favorite of all the examiner setters. So I would like you to know that series can be done in gaps or squares, cubes, multiples, anything that can come in the series. So please see and try to answer. I'm waiting for your replies. Yes, I hope you should reply. This is a simple question. I'm waiting for a reply for 30 seconds. Let me see how many of you give me the correct answer. Yes. The figures are 9, 10, 14, 23, 39, 64 question mark. I hope these are visible. Nine, 10, 14, 23, 39, 60. Only two of them are perfect squares. All are not perfect squares. So what should be the answer? Yes, I show you the figures once more. 9, 10, 40, 23, 39, 64 question mark. I hope this is visible to you. Yes guys, I am waiting for a reply. What should be the answer? Yes, I hope this all of you should answer. I hope I seek the answer from your side. Anyone on YouTube? You have chat box in front of you or comment section where you can answer it. So I am waiting for your reply. Yes, I hope this you should reply. See, it's learning by doing. Till you don't try, you won't be able to understand the thing. So series is also again one of the most expected type. So guys, the questions we are going to do here, the variety we are covering here is one of the most expected in actual CUET. Yes. So I hope I should let you know. Between 9 and 10 there is a gap of 1. Between 10 and 14 there is a gap of 4. Between 14 and 23 there is a gap of 9. Between 23 and 39 there is a gap of 16. Between 39 and 64 there is a gap of 25. I hope when you see 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, what strikes you? What comes to your mind? Yes, you are absolutely correct. It's 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So next gap should be of 6 square, that is 36. Yes guys, when you add 36 to 64 you get 100 as answer. So the gap may be of squares, the gap may be of cubes. These are the most frequently asked question in any of the competitive exam, and especially in CUET you may expect a few questions of series definitely. So let us try to solve the next variety. Yeah, this is coding decoding. This is the first variety of coding. See, please remember, just try to read in a code language. India is winner is written as BAGARA. BAGARA. So guys, please remember, this coding is not done in order. You have to understand this thing. It's not that India is coded as BA and this is coded as GA and winner is coded as RA. They are always jumbled. So how to solve it? It's like a mathematical equation where you have to find the common figures. Okay. So the code is, which of the following is code for India? Yes guys, there are, see, this is the way the question are asked and the exact type and the exact formation of the question is given here, right? So anyone from YouTube would like to reply? Yes, I am waiting for a reply. I hope I should get the reply of this question. Yes guys, yes, you are absolutely right. You have to see the common figures. One, the common words, and then their common code. So between these two statements you can see that word common is India, right, and the code common is BA. Very simple. So code for India has to be BA, hence first option is the answer. I hope this is very much clear. Very simple question, straight question, but you may get a bunch of questions of this type where a paragraph is given, you have to find 2-3 codes. If the time permits, we will cover that question also. Let us quickly move to the next type. Yeah, this is the question of Venn diagram, syllogism we say. Just try to solve it, and this is one of the most expected, I say must be asked type of question, and you have seen all SRP, some SRP, how to solve them is a skill set that you should learn, definitely learn, and these questions are going to be the deciding factor in your final merit. Yes guys, I am waiting for your replies. Yes, anyone from YouTube? Yes, there is a chat box in comment box, you may just write your answer. The question is, all bulbs are tables, some bulbs are pots. 3 conclusions are there. All pots are table, no pot is table, some pots are tables, right? If I solve it, all bulbs are table, so all SRP, how we write this? All bulbs are tables, all SRP is shown by this, so I write B here, I write table here. Some bulbs are pot, so let us make this Venn diagram a bit bigger. All bulbs are table, so table I make a bigger circle. Some bulbs are pots, so there should be a intersection. Say conclusion is a conclusion that is true in all the cases. I hope you understand this. In not one of the case. So if it is defined in any of the figure, that is not a conclusion. I hope you understand. So some bulbs are pots. So some bulbs are pots. Maybe this circle may go outside. It could be like this, BP, right? So all pots are tables are not necessarily true. It may be or may not be true. So that is not the answer. No pot is table, not definitely true, because pot, definitely pots that are parts of table are definitely there. Some pots are table, that is definitely true. So if all pots are table, then it is true. If some is true, so the option, the conclusion that is true will be true if and only if that is true in all the cases, right guys? So syllogism is a must-do type. If you want to master this, you should learn the skill set to solve these type of questions, right? There are some finer points, definitely, right? So you should know those finer points in order to get a good score in this section, right? So let us move to the next question. Next question. Yeah, this is same question. Yeah, all the letters of junkyard are written in alphabetical order from left to right. Then all the vowels are replaced with the next alphabet as per the English alphabetical order. Then which of the following will be the second letter from the right? Yes guys. So junkyard. So first, all arranged in alphabetical order. So if I write the position of alphabetical order, let us do this question like junk yard. So if you know EJOT, what is EJOT? Yes, EJOT. I hope you remember the word EJOT. Yes. EJOT is the position of English alphabet. So this is 1, this is 4, this is 10, this is 21, that is 14, this comes at 11th position, and Y comes at 25th position. So if I try to write them in order, so I will write 1 first, then 4, then 10, then 11, then 14, then 21, then 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In junkyard, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more alphabet is left. That is 1 comes. 4 we have taken care of. After 4, we take 10. After 10, we have taken 11. After 11, we have taken 14. And here R is at 18. We have left R. So 14, after 14, we should have 18 there. After 18, there should be 21. After 21, there should be 25. So if I write all this, A stands for 1, 4 stands for D, 10 stands for J, 11 stands for K, 14 stands for N, 21 stands for U, 18 stands for R, 21 stands for U, and 25 stands for Y. Now all the vowels are replaced with the next alphabet. So A has to be B, and another A, E, I, O, U is U, U has to be V. Then which of the following will be the second letter from right? So from right hand side, the second letter will be V. So hence first option is the answer. Right guys, I hope this is very much clear. So EJOT will help you to understand the questions of coding as well as this ranking type. So EJOT is again one of the must-do skill set. I gave you a briefing. EJOT means it is EJOTY are the positions of English alphabet 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you know if E is at 5th position, F has to be at 6th, and so on. J is 10th, 5 reference point. So the way to if I say what do I mean by EJOT, if I write, let us say write India. So India has EJOT. I stands for 9, N stands for 14, D stands for 4, I stands for 9, A stands for 1. 9 plus 14, 23, 4, 27, 9, 36, and 1, 37. So you have to sum of these all the positions. So if in order to understand the EJOT properly or to learn the positions of English alphabet, you should find the EJOT of the few of your friends. So when you find the EJOT of 10 to 15 words, it definitely you start remembering. If you ask someone, R is 18, U is 21, V is 22, S is 19, T is 20, K is 11, L is 12, V is 22. So you should remember all the positions. So this will definitely help you to crack reasoning section much faster. Believe me, this is of great use. So when you are there in session, so I wish you should have some value addition from the session. Yes guys, I hope the message is clear. Wish to ask anything, you may ask. Okay, so let us try to do the next question. So guys, the course we are going to start, batches are already on, 2-3 classes per day from Monday to Saturday. Time slots is given 10 AM to 11 AM, 11:45 AM to 1:15 PM, and 2 to 3:30. And the outline of the syllabus: Maths, DI, Reasoning have number of lectures 21, Verbal has 15, GK Current Affairs 12, Static GK is 15, in total lecture 63. For the aptitude of your CUET section, journal paper, which is a third paper, right? So this is the session plan, this is the link, and price is 9999 for the course. So you may join by going to this link, right? And you may go to the website. There we have the dedicated space for CUET. So let us move to the grad.hitbullseye.com CUET crash course. Let us move to the next slide. So guys, these are our faculties led by Hirdesh Madan sir, Harinder Singh sir, HOD Khatuka, Rajiv Markande sir, Tamoshi ma'am, me, Preeti ma'am, Pranav sir, Jyotpreet ma'am, Deepak Dureja sir. Lot of experienced faculty going to teach you, right? Any query you may ask. Now here comes one of the next question of the blood relation type. This is again a tree type. I hope till now you are aware. The males we represent by plus sign, female negative sign, siblings are represented by single arrow, couples are represented by double arrow, double lines. So different generations you have to do it. So try to make a tree out of these this information. Yes guys. And who is the uncle of P? You have to answer this question. T is the brother of P. T is the brother of P. So T is the brother, so T has to be plus sign. R is the daughter of P. R is the daughter, so R has to be given negative sign. M is the sister of T, so M has to be negative sign. V is the brother of R. Who is the uncle of V? So uncle of V has to be T, not M, because gender of M is negative female. So answer cannot be either M or T, she could be the aunt. So had the question been aunt, then we could have given this option. I hope guys this is very much clear, right? So let us move to the next question. Yeah, this is one of the expected type. If blue is called green, green is called black, black is called white, white is called pink, pink is called red, red is called orange, then what is the color of blood? So guys, this is a variety where there is a continuation in the coding, right? And the color of blood, all of you know, is red. And what red is called? Red is called orange. So answer has to be orange. But don't move ahead with orange. This is last one. Had I asked what is the color of grass? Color of grass is green, and green is called black. In that case, black would have been the answer. So you should have stopped there, right guys? So let us move to the next question. Yeah, this is again of EJOD type. Just give it a try. Given 1 minute to solve. Yes, as I said, you should remember EJOD. So I repeat, EJOD is the position of English alphabet. So what is the position of P? May I know? My question is, what is the position of P in English alphabet? Yes guys? P stands for, you are absolutely right, P stands for 16. So if you see, this question is seemingly tough, but it's not so tough if you remember the position. So P in English alphabet comes at 16th position, and what is written here? That is 16. R stands for 18, so 18 is written here. What does A stand? Obviously A stands for 1. T stands for 20, 2020 cricket, you remember. A stands for 1 and P again stands for 16. So when you see these numbers as a whole, it is difficult to do the interpretation, but when you remember the position of English alphabet, it directly strikes to your mind. So on the similar pattern, we have to find the coding for Naveen. So M is the first half where English alphabet ends, you should remember, so that is 13. I hope you know there are 26 alphabet. So N starts from 14th, so second half starts from 14, so N has to be 14 based on the pattern. So we may have the option starting with 14, so these two options are ruled out. A stands for 1, so obviously fourth option is the answer. V stands for 22, you may check. I stands for 9 and N stands for 14 again. So thank you guys. I hope you have understood what we have tried to do. So there are a variety of questions that are most expected as we did. So you should have the basic skill set of syllogism, sim operations, blood relation, directions, and obviously coding, decoding, series. We have tried to cover the maximum variety possible in this given time. So thank you guys, thank you for staying till last, and I hope I have shown you the slide. Again, we have started the course, and the content we are going to cover I have already shown. These are the faculties. So there will be around 21 lectures of maths day reasoning total, verbal 15, GK current affair 12, and stating 15. So total lectures 36. This is the link and this is the price. So thank you guys, and all the best for your CUET exam. Happy learning.